Welcome to this guided acupressure and meditation session designed to help you manage trauma and PTSD. We will use a combination of acupressure points and mindful meditation to promote emotional balance and relaxation. Let's begin by calming the mind and body. Find a comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. You can sit or lie down, whichever feels most comfortable for you. Take a moment to settle in and close your eyes. Breathing and preparation. Start by taking a few deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Allow your breath to become slow and steady, bringing your focus into the present moment. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed, more at ease. Let go of any tension in your shoulders, your neck, and your back. Let the weight of your body sink into the surface you're resting on. Continue to breathe slowly and deeply as we begin to work through the acupressure points. Pericardium 6, PC6. We'll start with pericardium 6, or PC6, which is known for relieving nausea and anxiety while promoting emotional well-being. Location: PC6 is located on the inner forearm, about 2 finger widths above the wrist crease. Action: use your fingertips to apply gentle pressure to this spot on both arms. Maintain the pressure for 1 to 2 minutes while continuing to breathe deeply. As you hold this point, visualize any anxiety or discomfort dissolving with each exhale. Let your breath guide you into a state of calm. Lung 1, LU1. Next, let's move to Lung 1, LU1, which helps reduce stress and promote relaxation, especially when managing trauma-induced tension. Location: this point is located near the base of the shoulder, just beneath the collarbone. Action: apply gentle pressure beneath the collarbone on both sides of your chest, just under your shoulders. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes, focusing on slow, steady breathing. As you apply pressure, imagine tension melting away from your body with each breath. Let the calm energy fill your chest, releasing any tightness or discomfort. Heart 7, HT7. Now, we'll move to Heart 7, HT7, a key point for reducing emotional stress, worry, and promoting better sleep. Location: HT7 is located at the wrist crease on the inside of the arm. Action: apply gentle pressure at this point, holding for 1 to 2 minutes. Again, breathe deeply and steadily as you press. Feel any emotional heaviness or worry release with each exhale. Let this point help bring balance and calm to your emotional state. You can continue this meditation as much as you like. 15 to 20 minutes is good start.